Got my exercise in. All right, welcome back, everybody. So today is February the 19th, and this is what the garden is looking like here in Zone B. So I have my garlic coming up right there. I can't remember what this is. It looks like carrots. I don't know. I'm not sure. This is Angelica. I cannot rule Angelica out because she has shown me before that she will come back. So this is my angel trumpet. And yes, the winter took her out. That is just some water that I am saving. This is my blueberry tree. That was sugar cane. That's just water that has been caught in there. This is, I forgot, y'all, crepe myrtle or something like that. This is the blueberries. So this is the lemon tree, Karina. This is the other lemon tree that has been growing. This is my mayhaw tree. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's starting to bloom already, y'all. Look at that. Oh, didn't see that. Cool. This is cherry, my cherry tree. And this is the rest of, oh, look at the berries back there. They're starting to bloom, have flowers on those. This is just a complete hot mess express right there. Over here I have some lettuce, and for the love of me, I know I planted this and I thought it was something, but I guess it's not. The signs that I have down there, the labels, says kohlrabi, but I know that's not kohlrabi. At least I don't think that's kohlrabi. And then I still have some mustards growing, some garlic in here. The fence is horrible. That needs to be taken down. And just a lot of overgrown brush. So yeah, that's that. Just a bunch of mess going on out here that needs to be cleaned up. That I'm about to get to work on that. I gotta figure this situation out, y'all. It's really not working for me. I thought it was gonna be good, but I don't really use it. But I'm gonna make it work this year. This is asparagus. I did get one little asparagus off of here a couple of months ago. I'm gonna really have to do my research and find out how to really take care of asparagus. This was a strawberry plant, but yeah, y'all see the results of that. Just weeds and more weeds. This right here is coming up. Yeah, and this is, I don't forgot her name, Angel. So that's Angelica over there, and I think this one was Angelina or Angel, whatever. So you guys see her. If you look back at one of my shorts, how beautiful and flourishing she was. Now to look at her now, it's just like, oh my goodness. So yeah, and then these are eggplants, or 3 of those. The mint, those are onions, and this is my Hawaiian punch hibiscus. So she is looking not too great. So yeah, we're gonna clean all this up, spruce it up, and get ready for the spring gardening season. It says our last frost date is March 1st, which is like a week and a half away. So excited about that. And it looks like I see, you know what, I have to put drainage hose in this bucket, and that's just pitiful on my part. But as you guys can see, it is growing. Look at that water standing in there. And I definitely have to put drainage hose in this one because I never did. But it looks like there's some green growing in there. I don't know. If it comes back, great. If it doesn't, oh well. You can't grow everything. I try. So yeah, this is the garden, and we are going to get to stepping, get to cleaning and throwing old stuff away, out with the old and in with the new. All right, y'all, that is the last of the cleanup for today. As you guys can see, that is all the trash right there, waiting to get to the trash man on Wednesday. So if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up, share me with your family and your friends, and check out my next video. Until I see you guys again, you know what it is. Peace.